So we had a holiday Christmas party and all of our staff was there, and they snuck in the HDR Foundation members as well. The news crew was there, and yeah, they just announced it out of the blue that we had been awarded the money and we're going to be able to get the mobile STEM lab.
Virtual education has been around for over 10 years in the state of Oklahoma, and Oklahoma Connections Academy really wanted to provide a unique experience for all different types of learners.
So having an option like this allows a student to be comfortable in the setting of their own home or a library or wherever, and have a rapport with their teacher.
My kiddos that have anxiety and ADHD, it's so perfect for them because they don't have to have all the distractions and the anxieties that come with regular school.
I like the flexibility that Oklahoma Connections Academy allows because I can take time to do some of my extracurricular activities like band or piano.
My wife started out as a teacher there, and so I've been involved over the years in field trips and different science projects and classroom projects.
And I said, you know, if we could send a van around with our logo on it, boy, wouldn't that be cool? And then all of a sudden, we got this wonderful grant from HDR, and things happened.
But I really felt like this was something I could get behind, and I knew that it would actually make a huge impact for the state.
So to see a past grant review committee member, a donor, an ambassador, come back and put his name on something, you knew it was going to be special.
So the Exploration Station presents, I think, an experience that kids in Oklahoma, students in Oklahoma cannot find anywhere else, where the classroom literally is coming to their community.
Especially those kiddos in our southern Oklahoma, in the Panhandle, they're not close to anything. So for them, the bus will be a huge deal to bring that to them.
We'll have kits for forensic science, for electronics, just all kinds of things that are going to help, like I said, connect those concepts we discuss in class to the real world.
Like, a lot of people will be able to learn more hands-on, more collaborative. You'll be able to work with peers.
I think my favorite thing that I'm going to be able to learn or do with this new bus is to use the VR equipment and to experience it and figure out how I can use it in my education.
HDR employees, we cannot thank you enough for the way that you have supported our school, our students, and our families.
You have no idea how many kids this is going to impact for years and years and years. It could be the thing that helps a kid find their career. It could be a thing that helps a kid stay in school, which is so important.
Your investment is going to pay off tenfold because you're going to create future engineers, scientists, machinists, whatever comes out of this bus, you're going to have a hand in.
Thank you, HDR!
It's very rewarding. I was part of a lot of grants, but to actually see one through to finish and see the completion and really understand the impact that this is going to make for the kids of Oklahoma, it's amazing.